How to fix UKG Dimension app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your application is not working, check out these easy steps. First and foremost, press and hold onto your application and head to App Info. From here, you need to tap on Force Stop, head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. Next step, you can head back from here, then open up your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of System Update. Check that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the application. Next step, if the previously shown method, that feature is not available for your device, fear not. In your settings, navigate to Apps and click on All Apps. Then tap on the search icon to search for UKG Dimension. You have to repeat the same process of force stopping it, heading over to Storage and Cache, then clear it up. By this way, you'll be able to fix your UKG Dimension app not working. And it's the wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.